folks, full exhaust system, cap back on the Nissan is all rotted out. Got that done in just lickety split time. A little trouble with that pipe on the back. Had to trim about an inch off it because the rear hanger is rotted. I think I probably already told you that. And I guess that's it. Oh, and she wanted her tire pressure light fixed, which we did. Forgot about that while it was up in the air. So ding dong move on my part. It's done. You guys throw it out in there and get her done in that comment section. I'll learn how to talk. Questions, comments, concerns, Insta, Facebook. You guys know what to do. And then let's get back on that Chevy. Thanks for watching.